I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone has enough power and is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and type Call or Home Screen in the search bar to jump straight to relevant menus. You do this because Color OS organizes customization links differently by version, so searching saves time. Make sure System Updates shows no pending updates before proceeding. Keeping Color OS current avoids missing features or menu names that would change the next steps. You now open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or the gear icon to access call settings. This is where display options live. Next, find incoming call settings or call display. Different Color OS builds rename this, so look for similar labels. Once inside, scan the choices: theme packs, full screen caller art, or compact floating windows. Make your selection based on preference. Full screen shows a large photo. Floating keeps everything accessible while you use other apps. After choosing a style, preview it and tap Apply or Save so the change takes effect immediately. You should always confirm visually. Once applied, make a quick test call to verify the incoming layout and interaction. This ensures pop-up permissions and DND settings aren't blocking the change. If the screen doesn't update, reboot the phone, check phone app permissions, or reset phone app settings to defaults. Doing that usually fixes conflicts or cache-related problems and lets your new call screen appear correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.